We can rename a database in two ways, either using user interface or through SQL query. To rename database using user interface, open SQL Server Management Studio. Right-click on database to be renamed and hit rename just like you rename a file in Windows system. Provide new name and hit enter. We can also do the same with SQL Server query. If you want to do it with query, then there are two ways to do it. One is with alter database command. Let's rename sample2 to sample3. Alter database sample2 modify name equals sample3. Press F5 or hit execute. Now, when I will refresh, this sample2 will rename to sample3. Right-click on database folder and hit refresh. Now, you should see the sample3 database. Another way to change database name is to use one of the system's stored procedure. We will have a session on stored procedures in later sessions. Now, let's rename sample3 database to sample4 using stored procedure. sp_rename db old database name, new database name. Press F5 or hit execute. So, the database name sample4 has been set.